unit of force is Newton. So what is the SI unit of force? Newton. Symbolically, we use the capital letter N. If we write the complete spelling, it should be in small letters. The SI unit of force is Newton. So from the relation F equal to m into A, m into A. F is the force, its unit is Newton. M is mass, its unit is kilogram. A, meter per second square. So in these terms, for these terms, we can put their units. So here we write Newton. If we write the force is 1 Newton, it is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. So 1 Newton can also be written as 1 kg meter per second square. So the kg meter per second square is also the unit of force. But for the force, the separate unit is given in the name of the scientist. So 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. So from this relation we can define how much is the 1 Newton force. Suppose here an object is placed and we apply the force. When do we say the force applied on this object is said to be 1 Newton? Here the force is applied. Some force is applied. If we want to say the force applied is equal to 1 Newton, if the force applied on this object is said to be 1 Newton, if it produce the acceleration of 1 meter per second square when its mass is 1 kg. If its mass is 1 kg, and this force applied is producing the acceleration 1 meter per second square, then we say the force is 1 Newton. So 1 Newton force can be defined in this way. The force applied on an object of mass 1 kg produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. That is the definition for 1 Newton. Right? This is for 1 Newton definition. Then coming for the another unit that we call CGS unit. It is CGS unit of force. CGS unit, it is also a system of units. CGS, centimeter gram second. SI, International System of Units. Here it is CGS unit. It is also a system of unit. In this system also we have different units for different quantities. The CGS unit of force is dyne. DYNE. Symbolically the same. Symbolically also same is written. So that is the CGS unit of force. From this formula, by using this formula, if we write 1 dyne force is equal to 1 gram mass and the acceleration produced is 1 centimeter per second square. Means when we put an object on the surface and the force is applied. Now we want to say the force applied on this object is said to be 1 Newton. If its mass is 1 gram and produce acceleration 1 centimeter per second square, then the force is 1 dyne force. So SI unit of force and the CGS unit of force. CGS unit of force, that is dyne. Dyne force can also be defined. The force applied is said to be 1 dyne when it produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square on the object of mass 1 gram. That is the 1 dyne force. Now see, dyne is the CGS unit of force, Newton is the SI unit of force. Both are the units of force. For the same quantity we have different units. If for the same quantity there are so many units and all the units have some relation among them. Here also 1 Newton force and 1 dyne force also related to each other. That can be related in some way. So here we write 1 Newton. This is the relation between 1 Newton and 1 dyne force. Relation. The relation is, let me write 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. If we change kg into gram, that is 10 raised to power 3 gram, because 1000 gram, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, that is written in the form of exponent, that is 10 power 3. Then 1 meter per second square, it is written into 10 power 2 centimeter per second square, because meter is changes into centimeter 10 power 2. Here we have 10 power 3, 10 power 2, that is 10 power 5. You must know the exponents. In two different exponents, the base is same, powers are added. So it is gram centimeter per second square. So gram centimeter per second square, that is equal to dyne. So we can write 1 Newton force is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. 10 power 5 dyne force. When do we say 1 Newton force is applied? If 10 power 5 dyne, that means 1 lakh dyne force is applied on any object, that is equal to 1 Newton force. This is how the Newton force and dyne force are related to each other. 1 Newton and dyne are related to each other. This is how we write the unit of force. And then the force is having some practical unit also. That practical unit, we can say it is the that is gravitational unit of force. That we will discuss in the next video.